Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. I posted a video and I talked about opioids in Arizona. And then I went a little bit of Googling and I thought I'd do a whole series of these videos on different states. Went and looked at Chicago. Those numbers are frightening. And then I decided to take a look and see what they forecast for opiate deaths across America. Found this article, STAT forecast, opiates could kill nearly 500,000 Americans in the next decade. I'm going to attach the link, but I want to give you some of the highlights. Opiates could kill nearly 500,000 Americans across America. Deaths from opiates have been rising sharply for years. And drug overdoses already kill more Americans under age 50 than anything else. STAT asked leading public health experts at 10 universities to forecast the arc of the epidemic over the next decade. The consensus? It'll get worse before it gets better. Well, personally, I don't think it'll ever get any better. There are nearly 100 deaths a day from opiates, a swath of destruction that runs from Tony, New England suburbs to the farm countries of California, from the beach towns of Florida to the Appalachia foothills. In the worst case scenario put forth by STAT's experts panel, that toll will spike to 250 deaths a day if potent synthetic opiates like fentanyl and carfentanil continue to spread rapidly, and the waits for treatment continue to stretch weeks in hard-hit states like West Virginia and New Hampshire. How many of these drug users do you think go look for treatment? They also talk here of the deep cuts to Medicaid now being debated in Congress could add to the desperation by leaving millions of low-income adults without insurance. How many of those low-income adults do you think are looking for treatment? Even the more middle-of-the-road forecasts suggest that by 2027, the annual U.S. death toll from opiates alone will likely surpass the worst year of gun deaths on record, and may top the worst year of AIDS deaths at the peak of that epidemic in the 1990s, when nearly 50,000 people were dying each year. The average toll across all forecasts, nearly 500,000 deaths over the next decade. You want to read the rest of the article. It's most interesting. Personally, I think the plan that was put in place by the shadow government is working perfectly. And you know why I say that, if you've been watching my videos. Take a look at the article, open a number of the embedded links. Let me know what you think. You sure as heck know what I think, don't you?